Girls, we come to the 8th question of exercise 7a. It says that 1 centimeter is equal to 0.3937 inches. So, x centimeter will be equal to how much? 1 centimeter is equal to this much. So, x centimeter will be 0.3937 into x. We do not write multiplication sign. We will simply write x inches. So, this is the answer. Now, after that we come to the exercise 7b. Now in 7b what we have to do is, the variables are given to you, a plus 2b, for example we are taking this, and the values of a and b are given to you. You have to just put the values in this equation, in this expression, and you have to find the total value. For example, suppose here a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. This is given to you. We will put these values in this expression. So a is equal to 2, so we will write 2 here instead of a, plus this 2 multiplied by b. So b is how much? 4. 2 multiplied by 4. We will put it in the bracket because this we have to solve. So it will be 2 plus 8. 2 4s are 8. So is equal to 10. So 10 is the answer when the value a and b, this 2 and 4 is given to you. Okay. So let's do the first question. First question, what we have to do, you have to make tables like this. Okay. You can draw a line here. So it will be more easy for you. Like this. Here what is given to you, you have to find the values of these expressions when the n, the variable value, is given differently. Here it is given n is equal to 2, so we will put 2 instead of n. Where there is n is equal to 3, we will put 3 instead of n. Where n is equal to 0, we will put 0 instead of n. Where n is equal to 1, we will put 1 instead of n. In this way we will solve it and we will get the value of the expression. So let's do, so n is equal to 2. Okay, we'll do the third part, fourth part, fifth part, and then sixth and seventh also. So here, so 3n plus 2. So instead of n you will put 2 here. So 3 into n means 3 multiplied by 2. This will come in the bracket so that you do not get confused. This we have to solve first. 3 2s are 6 plus 2 was this 1. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 is the answer. Now put the value 3 here. So it is 3 into 3 plus 2. So 3 into 3 gives you 9. 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Then we put the value 0 here. 3 into 0 plus 2. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 plus 2 gives you 2. And then we will put the value of n as 1. 3 into 1 plus 2. So 3 into 1 is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. Now the fourth part is n square. Okay, n square means n is getting multiplied by n, whatever the value is there. Let's put the value. First n is equal to 2 in first column. So we will put here 2. 2 square. That means 2 multiplied by 2 is give you the answer 4. Then value of n is 3 here. So 3 square. 3 square doesn't mean 3 multiplied by 2. Square always means that that number is getting multiplied by that number only. So 3 into 3 gives you 9. Then we have n here 0. So 0 square. 0 square will means 0 multiplied by 0. That gives you 0 only. And then n is equal to 1. So 1 multiplied by 1 gives you 1. Okay. Then we have come to the fifth part. This is 10n minus 3. 10n means 10 multiplied by n. So n value is 2 here. So 10 multiplied by 2 minus 3. It gives you 20 minus 3 is equal to 17. Then here n is 3. So 10 multiplied by 3 minus 3. So this gives you 30 minus 3 is equal to 27. Then value of n is 0. So 10 multiplied by 0 minus 3. 10 multiplied by 0 minus 3. 0 minus 3. So anything subtracted from 0 gives you a negative number. So it will be, answer will be minus 3. Now the value of n is 1. 10n minus 3. So 10 multiplied by 1 minus 3. So that gives you 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Now we come to the sixth part where it is given, we have to follow 3 upon 4 into n. Okay. So here let's put the value of n. N is equal to 2. So this is 3 upon 4 into 2. Now the numerator and denominator can be cut. Whether it is on this side, whether it is just on top of the other. Okay. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So what is left here? 3 upon 2 is left. Now second value is n is equal to 3. So 3 upon 4 into 3. Now this numerators cannot be cut with each other. So you have to simply multiply. 3 3s are 9 upon 4. So this can be written as 2 whole and 1 upon 4. This also can be written like this also. Then third, n is equal to 0. So what you will do? 3 upon 4 into 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0 only. Then fourth is 3 upon 4 into 1. So it is equal to 3 upon 4. Let's come to the sixth part. It is 100 n square minus 19. So n square, okay, we'll put the value of n. 100 into 2 square minus 19. Okay. So what is this? 2 square is what? 2 multiplied by 2. That is equal to 100 into 4. 2 into 2 is 4 only. So this 100 is getting multiplied by 4. 100 into 4 minus 19. That is 400 minus 19. That is equal to 381. Right? Then we have 100 into 3 square minus 19. So it will be 3 square is 3 into 3, 9. So 100 into 9 minus 19. So that is equal to 900 minus 19. That is equal to 881. Then in fourth we have 0 square. So it will be 0 into 0 is always 0. 100 multiplied by 0 minus 19. That is equal to 0 minus 19. So minus 19 is the answer. Then we have 1. 100 into 1 square. 1 into 1 is 1 only. So 100 into 1 minus 19. That is equal to 81. Now girls, we'll come to the second question. Second question, you will do the first and second part in your homework copy, and third and fourth I am explaining you here. Okay, so here the values are given. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6, C is equal to 10. So let's do the third part. A plus B upon C minus A. First put their values. A is what? 5 plus B is what? 6. 5 plus 6 upon C is 10. 10 minus 5. So solve this first. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11 and 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 11 upon 5. And turn it into a mixed fraction. So that is equal to 2 whole 1 upon 5. Then we come to the fourth part. It says 6C minus 2AB. Okay, 6C means 6 multiplied by C. What is the value of C? 10. 6 into 10. Minus 2 multiplied by A multiplied by B. Okay, so write 2 outside and in the bracket you can write 5 into 6. Or you can write that 2 into 5 into 6. Whatever you want to write. So 6 into 10 is equal to 60 minus this 5 6 are 30. So 2 into 30. 60 minus 60 gives you 0. Okay. Now girls, the third question we will do the second part here. First part you will do it in the homework copy. It says the value of A is equal to 6 and X is equal to 2. Okay. And the expression given to you is 2AX plus 7X minus 10 upon 4AX minus 3A minus 2. So we will simply put the values in it. So 2 into A into X. So it is 2 into 6 into 2. Put the values. Value of A is 6, put 6 here. Value of X is 2, put 2 here. Okay. Plus 7X, 7 into X, 7 into 2. Minus 10. 10 is given to you already. So you will just write it as it is. Then here it is 4AX. 4 multiplied by A is 6. Multiplied by X, X is 2. Minus 3 into 6. A value is 6. 3 into 6 minus 2. Okay. Solve them. 2 into 6, 12. 12 2s are 24. 24. Plus 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 10. Upon 4 into 6, 24 into 2, 48. Minus 3 6 are 18 minus 2. Okay. So what you will do? We will add these first. 24 plus 14 gives you 38 minus 10. And at the bottom what you will do? 48 minus 18. So it gives you 30 minus 2. Now do the minus. 38 minus 10 is equal to 28. 30 minus 2 is equal to 28. So these will be cut and 1 is the answer. The remaining part we will do in the next session.